Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight with Retro Crypto YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing a video on Cardano today. It is November 26, 2024, 7:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the good old US of A. All right, this video, I'm doing technical analysis on Bitcoin, how it's going to affect Cardano, this current pullback we're in. Definitely doing technical analysis on Cardano. And I want to talk about that bridge coming up and the drama around it with Cardano and Bitcoin, which is exciting news in itself, honestly. Yeah, but before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It is essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right, guys. First rule of crypto, trust no one. Do your own research. Make sure you're confident in whatever you're purchasing and selling and where you're getting your information from and what influencers you're following, and then it goes on and on. But anyway, do me a favor, guys. Stop, hit that like button. Every like I get, YouTube's algorithm puts my channel in front of new viewers, and it's essential for my channel to grow. So please, I only got like 10 likes yesterday. I was kind of disappointed. I'm sure I can get at least 20 likes. Can you be the one to give me 20 likes? Please, it takes 1 second to hit that button right now. Thank you. All right, and while you're at it, subscribe. Why not? You'll be updated whenever I upload a new video, and leave a comment. Tell me what projects you want me to cover. I haven't done any videos on Pulse Chain, and I think I should. There's got to be some Cardonians out there who love Pulse Chain, because I love Pulse Chain still. I think that project has some serious wheels on it, and it's really going to melt some faces off, as BitBoy used to say, before he fell from grace. But that's a whole nother story. All right, let's jump right into this, guys. I don't think I said it yet, so I'm going to say it now. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all decisions. All right, if I already said that, I apologize. Let's jump right in. All right, Bitcoin's currently sitting at $92,222 with a market cap of 1,800,000,000 I don't know, 20 something billion. It's crazy. Hard to imagine it's that high. Now, Cardano's sitting in the number 9 market cap spot at 95 cents, well, almost 96, 0.9581, with a market cap of 34 billion, 290 something million, which is absolutely amazing, guys. That is so much money. All right. So, let's dive right in. First thing I want to show you guys, before we do any technical analysis, people like to say that, yeah, I'm trying to increase my water intake, by the way, guys. People love to say that, Solana has all the transaction, even though most of the transactions are meme junk. Like, they mean nothing. It's just memes. It's nothing. So for to answer the argument of people, if you go to dappsoncardano.com, you'll see, you can play around and see where the transactions are taking place on Cardano currently. Whereas MemSwap is a DEX, a decentralized exchange. You got 52.5 thousand. JPEG Store, NFTs, you got 42.5 thousand. Liquid Finance, that's some DeFi going on there. That's 40,600 and something, whatever. You got Muesli Swap. That's another DEX. Muesli Swap was actually the first DEX on Cardano. It will always have a soft spot in my heart for them at 9,665. Vi Finance. I like this project. I've been disappointed in its growth, but I really do like Vi Finance, and they're legit. And they're at 33,083. Wing Riders, another DEX, and it goes on. And it's a good way to come back at, coworkers or others questioning what's going on Cardano. All right. Now, this was last epoch. I believe the epochs every 5 days. It was 4. I think it's 5 now. But if you go for like the last 6 epochs, of course, obviously the numbers will be higher. But yeah, very interesting. All right. So jumping forth, and this is a tool I just like to share with you guys. I like to show you whatever tools I'm looking at. That way, you save them in your Google browser, or Brave browser, whatever you're using, and you always refer back to it. All right, you do your own research. It is essential, guys. All right, next thing up, I want to talk about Bitcoin very quick. We are in the midst of a significant pullback, but is it really? I mean, I feel like us people in the crypto world, we're so greedy sometimes. You know what I mean? I've been waiting 4 years. It shoots up to like 99,919 or some shit, whatever, wherever this is at. And they're like, oh, it didn't break 100,000. Now it's a pullback. Yeah, go ahead, take profits. It's never a bad thing to take profits. It's actually a good thing. But I've been waiting so long, I'm good because I know we just got started, and that's where I stand. Because right now we hit this resistance up here at 99,919, and yeah, we didn't break 100,000, but as far as I'm concerned, we did. You know what I'm saying? And we're definitely going downward in this wedge right now, as you can see. We're definitely on a downtrend. The capitulation is going south. But I'm hoping at the support level right here, there is a support level. Oops. Should I? I think I need to pull this out. Where's the support? I found a support earlier. Oh, here it is. Sorry. I don't know what I'm looking at. Anyway, all right. There is some support right here that I'm hoping that holds. Actually, there's two. This one here at 88,656. There's a strong support level. It's a weak support level. There is a much stronger support level, I feel, right about here. We're going to put it here at 86,510. Now, if those supports don't hold, guys, you might have to knuckle up because you could see it drop back as far as around 76,000. So have that, be mentally prepared. Don't panic. I'm not panicked. I know that things are going to work out. I know that we just got started in this bull run, and it's going to be absolutely exciting. All right. Now let's take a look here at the Fu Manchu chart. If you don't know, it's a free open source version of Market Cipher, and I spiced it up just a little bit with the RF dash B and S signals right here. That's what the sell, you'll see the sell and buy signals there. But yeah, it's Fu Manchu A and B, free open source. So knock yourself out. I would get on TradingView and learn how to do it. Do your own charting. It's essential you do that actually. Trust nobody. Make your own decisions. And I still watch everybody's videos and, Anyway. All right. So you'll see right now that Bitcoin fired off, of course, with a buy on November 5th. And you'll see that triangle in there. That's a change of trend. And also a long signal right here with this green dot and a ton of bullish continuations, a bearish, ton of bullish. And we just ride all this up here. We did fire off with a short signal on November 14th, another short signal on November 17th, and another short signal on November 24th. But after that short signal on November 24th, we had a sell trigger right here. We had a blood diamond and a sell signal right here. Huge sell signal there, guys. And another sell right here. And we're still in the middle of that pullback. Now, and the bottom's not in. So, yeah, I'm hoping it's going to either hit 88,000, 86,000 more than likely. But like I said, it could go all the way back as low as 76,000. And that is reality. Now, if you are one of these latecomers, like a lot of my coworkers, it's a great opportunity to, to stock up on some. While it's not discount anymore, but buy on red, sell on green. You know what I'm saying? All right, now Fu Manchu B chart here, you're going to see that the volume is neutral, which is yellow. It's not up or down. It's really neutral territory. The momentum you'll see right now is definitely down. That's the bluish purple right here. Now, there is a sell signal that fired off on the 26th, but now it looks like we're having a buy signal falling, triggering, but it is not confirmed yet. So there is a possibility that we'll have to watch this closely. Now, this is the 4-hour chart. The money flow, the green, is kind of neutral in my opinion. It's definitely pulled back significantly. Now let's go ahead and make this a 2-hour chart to make sure we're not missing something spicy here. Now this buy signal here was confirmed, obviously, but now we're in the middle of the pullback. But there is another buy signal that just fired off very recently, but the money flow on a 2-hour chart is down significantly. But I do see a little spike in the volume. And that is correlating over here where it's up just like 0.13%. So who knows? Maybe we're about to turn around. Yeah, we gotta watch it closely. All right, so that's Bitcoin. Actually, since I just saw that, I'm going to expand this. I'm going to check one more thing. It'll make me feel a little better. Let's go to my Ichimoku. My Ichimoku and my RSI for Bitcoin. That way we can be sure what we're looking at here. Where's it at? Bear with me. I'm going to arrow down. It's way up here. I don't know why it's down so low. There we go. All right, so my Ichimoku for Bitcoin right now for the next that's the hour chart, for the next 4 days is actually predicting it to stay bullish. So we have to wait and see what happens. Hopefully it does. And there's another chart that's kind of exciting, which is right here. I want to check out the RSI. We got to check it out for Bitcoin before we move forward. RSI with Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. That's ADA. So many buttons. No big deal though. Okay, RSI. Now the Bollinger Bands is definitely bearish, which we knew that was going to be the case. But on a 4-hour chart, Bitcoin, the stochastic RSI, which is has bottomed out, it appears. Looks like it might be about to turn around. So I don't know. We'll have to see how that plays out. Now, stochastic RSI is a short term. Long term is RSI, and that is kind of doing the exact same things as stochastic RSI. So we have to watch this closely. It might swing around on us and catch us off guard. It's hard to say. Exciting times in a bull market. All right, let's move forward. Let's look at ADA. All right, so this is ADA versus the, what is this? Yeah, ADA versus the overall total market cap. And ADA is currently at 60, is up 62% since January 1st, 2024. Overall market cap's up 99%. But when you look at this, don't forget, pay attention to how quickly ADA moved up. It's going to fly past the average project on the total market cap. I'm very confident in this, guys. All right. Now ADA hit some serious resistance at about $1.14. Capitulated, is still falling. We have not found it has not reached a support level yet. I am hoping that it reaches a support level right around. I'm suspecting that it's going to find support. It's a little tricky, but I'm going to say it's going to be a hard one. Somewhere around the 76 to 80 cent, 70 cents, somewhere between 70 and 73 cents. I'm hoping to find some support. There's potential for support for it there. I do not foresee it falling back to 52 cents. It's very possible. Don't fool yourself, but I do not foresee it happening. Like I said, I'm very confident that we're really about to start riding the wave in the north. All right, but there will be a lot of pullbacks. There's always pullbacks. Pullbacks are healthy. Anything that goes straight up is bad. You want to see healthy pullbacks. This is healthy, guys. Trust me. Psych. Do your own research. All right. So let's take a look here with the. Let's see what this chart here is telling us. Definitely a sell. Got a short signal fired off for the 24th. A bearish continuation. Another sell signal. The Fu Manchu B chart is there's a potential long firing off right here with a channel, but it is not confirmed. The cash flow does look like it's starting to improve a little bit with Cardano. The volume's up, the momentum's going up. So maybe things are about to turn around. It's hard to say. We have to watch it closely. Now, ADA with the exponential moving average chart on the 4-hour chart, you'll see that ADA is right in the middle of the ribbons, and it's showing. I'm going to say it wants to go bullish, back bullish. We have to watch this close, guys, because I want to see it bounce above these ribbons. Then I want to see some support, and then you'll know we're good to go. But it's definitely, I think, I don't know. I almost want to go long, me personally. Remember, charts are tricky. Don't think there's no magic crystal ball. You got to look at it and you analyze them, and then you come up with the most logical guess based on what the charts are telling you. And what they're telling me right now is it wants to swing around. I don't know if we're going to let it, but it wants to. ADA for next 4 days, Ichimoku is predicting it to be bullish. We'll have to watch that. Next two days, 1 day of bullish and then going back to bearish. So I don't know. Let's wait and see. All right, let's go to this Cardano news. That's pretty important. You need to pay attention to this. Do not click off. Cardano fans skeptical after BitcoinOS token reveal. Cardano fans express concerns over BitcoinOS BOS token release, questioning its necessity in the Grail bridge. All right. While the Cardano Summit in October featured numerous exciting reveals, one of the standout announcements was the Grail bridge from BitcoinOS, which aims to transform blockchain interoperability by bridging to Bitcoin. However, fast forward to now, the excitement surrounding the Grail Bridge announcement has quickly turned to skepticism when BitcoinOS revealed plans to launch its own token. Cardano surprise. BitcoinOS announced the pre-sale for its BOS token on Monday, surprising many in the community who had expected the Grail Bridge to function solely using Bitcoin and Cardano tokens. And right here is where the news on their Twitter account stated that they were kicking this token pre-sale off. Now, if you don't understand what's going on, basically this bridge was going to allow the liquidity from Bitcoin to be bridged directly over to Cardano and vice versa. And it was pretty exciting stuff for Cardano because it was going to be the first time for this to actually happen. Now, the Grail Bridge has hailed by Cardano supporters as a game changer with the potential to unlock oceans of liquidity for the blockchain. Bitcoin, in turn, was poised to benefit from Cardano's scalability, advanced smart contract capabilities, creating a mutually advantageous scenario for both ecosystems. Nonetheless, Input-Output CEO Charles Hoskinson voiced surprise at the decision to launch the BOS token as the bridging process doesn't require a new token. While he admitted he may have missed some details in the design process, Hoskinson remained open for further developments, noting that more clarity on the token's role would likely emerge in coming weeks. What's the purpose of BOS? Amid growing speculation about BitcoinOS intentions with BOS token, it's important to acknowledge the high cost of blockchain development. Turning innovative ideas into reality requires significant funding, and issues tokens has become a common strategy for securing a necessary capital. D-Rep Cardano Yoda acknowledged the financial challenges of blockchain projects, but suggested that BitcoinOS could have applied for Catalyst funding. Yeah, but for what I hear, Catalyst funding takes forever, and it can be quite annoying and frustrating. This raised, if you don't know what Catalyst funding is, that's how is the best way to, you can apply for a grant, basically, from Cardano through their foundation, basically. That's what the Catalyst is. But it's you got to jump through hoops, and you're competing against tons of other projects, some real, some not so real, and they got to dig through them all to figure out what's what. But anyway, this is pretty interesting news. I'm not against this token, but it would have been nice to have the bridge without a token. But it also, I don't know, it might be better for BOS to have this token, because I don't know if you noticed or not, but Base Chain, by the one that was done by Coinbase, Base Chain didn't have a token, and I get frustrated because I wanted to have its token. So I don't know. It does have a token, so but I wish they had a token. So that's my take on it. All right. And this is their Twitter account that they announced it. And if you're curious, you can go to BitcoinOS.build. You can register for the pre-sale. I'm not interested in that, but I mean, you definitely can. You can see who they're building with. And then if you want, I don't need to read this to you. Come over to this website, just read through, and it's a very straightforward of how it'll work. They really dumbed it down, guys. All right. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. You didn't like it, hit the like button. Hit the dislike button. Subscribe. Take a moment and subscribe. And please leave comments. Tell me what you want to see, what projects, what kind of technical analysis. And until next time, stay blessed. All right, peace out, guys.